Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to disable all these inputs on your itel and Syinix Digital television. Now disclaimer, I have not tried this tutorial on itel and Syinix Android TVs and I don't know if it works. So you can please try it and tell me if it works in the comments below. Now to disable the inputs, we are going to enter into something known as the hotel mode. To enter into hotel mode, press the menu button, then scroll down to feature and press OK. And in lock, press enter and you can enter your own password, or the default password is usually 0000, and scroll down into hotel mode and press enter. If the hotel mode is in the off position, just press the right navigation button to enable it. Now scroll down till you see source lock and press OK or the right navigation button, any will work. Now here are all the inputs that we can lock. And to lock it, you just need to set it to on. Just press the right navigation button to lock it, just like that. I'm going to lock all these except for HDMI 2 so that you can see all the things that we have locked. And to exit, you just press the exit button. Now if I press the source button, you can see everything here has been grayed out except for HDMI 2 and digital television. You can't disable everything, one must remain. And that's how you disable all the inputs on your Syinix and itel digital television. Now I have more videos about the hotel mode, and please watch the full playlist so that you can learn more. I've already done in-depth videos about these other features that you can see here, including the channel locks, the feature lock, setups lock, key locks, and everything. So please watch that so that you can learn more. So that's it. I hope you learned something new today. If so, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with your friends. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye.